We got 40 knots coming tonight, so we found this little hurricane hole. I think we'll just hide out there for a few days, and we're literally just gonna try and get on top of our editing, get on top of our Patreon, a lot of extra videos. I got a water maker video I gotta finish, which is making our water maker. Yeah. All right, Brittany wants to go. What? Oh, just relax. So we're just laughing because we're going about 2 knots and this guy's doing the same. We're just saying this is going to be the slowest crash ever.
Now we've got a massive super yacht coming towards us.
Yeah, so that's the Flying Fox, which I think's Jeff Bezos's yacht. So he's gone from the moon to the Med. Here we are. Jackson, we're here, buddy. He's pooped, eh?
There's lots of little beaches for him to walk on, though.
The place here is so beautiful. There's like not really tourists here. We got the 40 knot winds tonight and all day tomorrow and tomorrow night. But if you look on the map, you might get some katabatic winds coming from the mountains up behind us. At least we're gonna have no fetch, we're gonna have no swell. That's what really puts a lot of strain on things. I'm confident now, like 40 knots is pretty much a standard shit night, isn't it? It's not really anything to be worried about, is it? Not with Thor. Thor's got us in nice and deep, doesn't he? Actually, Brittany, do you want to jump in and check? No. What is so gross here? I don't know if I want to jump in either. Back out of my kitchen. Please. I'm making a cake for dessert, all right? We're gonna have a nice romantic dinner and dessert in 40 knot winds outside. All right, so tonight I'm making torta al limone. So, Jackson, first, we need to prepare la base biscotto. Hey? He doesn't care. Basically, I got my gelatina, got my creamer, I got my fondo torta. Mix it up, throw it into my little cake pan. Bob's your uncle. Pack it down tight, rock solid. Prepare la crema. We can do that. Apparently, we need 100 ml. So, probably a little bit too much, but that'll do.
What is this?
I actually don't know. I don't know how Brittany does this. Yes. Oh. Oh, shit. Brittany, this is not going too well. Brittany, I need your help. It's not working.
What you need to do is not use that.
Use a fork.
No. Oh my god. Here, watch this. You put water on it.
Right.
And it won't stick.
Alright, there we go.
This is genuinely the worst cooking show I've ever seen. That is busted.
Why would they do that
This is bad.
Okay, here we go.
Oh god.
It's gonna taste good, eh? Forgot to mention, if you follow us on Instagram, sailing_Sunday, you see all the cool stories and funny stuff we post up, you'll see that we're actually anchored behind Jeff Bezos, the Amazon dude. So now, what's Brittany cooking?
Chicken and potatoes. It's not very exciting. Can you just chill, bro? This is not like MasterChef.
Are you done barking all the jet skis yet, buddy? The wind's here. Literally just come through and you felt the breeze, like, oh, what's that? The boat just swings right around. Now we're facing the mountains and we're like, yeah, the wind's here. So it's only gonna get worse from here on in. Look at this, she's trying to show off now.
This is me being lazy.
Oh, whatever, what is this? Oh man, it's all happening in this anchorage. Heaps of people have come now seeking cover from this wind tonight. Sometimes it's easier just to pick up anchor yourself and move, so we did that. This guy rolled in. He was swinging like within 10-15 meters of us. So when the boats were swinging like this, he came in super close. If during the night, we both just happened to like catch the wind on either side of our bows, we both swing in, our back ends is going to smash on each other. So any competent sailor would have just like straight away probably picked up his anchor and gone, yeah, I'm too close. But they're a charter boat and they just sat there. So I've ended up moving anchor. Sometimes it's easier just to move than yell and try to argue with someone in a different language.
I wonder what Jeffrey Bezos is doing. He's probably got a 3 Michelin star chef on there feeding him champagne and caviar, and we're battling it out for anchors.
Oh no. Probably got like 6 side chick Instagram models on there too. You did well.
I always do well. This is like, we don't need TV. It's entertainment.
Yeah.
Full entertainment out here.
These poor guys just dragged behind, like dragged.
They didn't drag, Ryan. They floated away.
They just went like, we're like, oi! And it's like, she's like, yeah, we got it. And then now they've gone and re-anchored.
We're just like casually having our dinner and they start floating by.
Yeah,
I'm like, What?
But this spray hood though, Brittany, is insane because we're out here just chilling, and on the other side of that spray hood is just like...
We need to turn the instruments on.
Oh yeah, see what it is. I got this rope here. I'm gonna throw the rope over the solar panels just in case the wind gets under them and flicks them up. Alright, Brittany, dinner was good, but are you ready for dessert?
Yeah,
you got some of this?
bring it up.
I'm dessert, baby. What's up?
Our families watch this. Ryan's trying to make up for the fact that his dessert came out of a box. It didn't even need to be cooked, and he completely botched it.
Prepare to have your mind blown.
Well, it actually looks pretty good, I'll give you that.
Oh, look at that. Come on.
He's trying to hide the fact it's a shit show underneath all that.
Oh, whatever. Wait until we taste it. Something's not right.
Alright, I'm gonna stick into this. If I die, RIP to me.
So it's been a productive few days. It's been hardcore editing this next YouTube video. Actually, no, Patreon video, eh? Good. So we're actually going to get our videos out on time now. Jackson's been running around the beach. I think it's time for us to go for a swim, eh? Come on, baby. Let's do this.
You might need to get back on the helm. It's back there.
It's alright. Yeah, 4 meters. We're going forward and backwards around in circles because we've got 50 meters of chain out in like 5 meters of water because we've had 40 knots the last few days and now we've got 7 knots.
That's alright, you just have to pull the boat, like get a little bit of a turn and then I'll go forward.
Last night we're pulling dead tight on like all 50 meters of chain. Can you try and pull that tender around to me actually before we drift out anywhere we're not meant to?
I woke up last night from a dream and our entire bow was ripped off.
I don't say that.
Like an anchor had dug through it. I woke up screaming, oh my god, and Ryan's like, what? What's wrong? And I was like, oh, nothing. I need to go get the downstairs kind of sorted. I just realized I didn't put anything away. I can tell we're gonna be heeling over a lot this sail.
Sail's jam.
Oh,
Yeah, no, all good.
Got
Just have
it?
to baby it, just turn the wind a little bit more. I think it was just a little loose.
Picked a good spot for it to all get caught up because we're surrounded by super yachts. At least they could afford it if we crashed into them. We've got the billionaires over here, and we've got the peasant millionaires over here.
And then what do you call us in our little hole
Like
name?
the cockroaches on their shoe.
We got like 24 knots of wind here. You can see people stressing out here, like just charter boats. Anyway, we're so cozy. We're sitting here, and look, this is all we've got out. We haven't even hit our reef point, Brittany. When the gust comes, we go 5 knots. When the gust stops, we're on 3.
I don't have the energy for this anyways. Trying to convince Ryan to put a little bit of sail out because we're going so slow with all this wind.
We're going 2 knots, right? And it's going to pick up around this corner. So I don't know if we just keep going comfortable or if we just put the head sail out and just get there. But like, look at him. He's content right now, you know? What?
Say it again.
Oh, content?
No, what were you saying before?
I'm not saying it. We're just going to
Say
try and get
it.
the shit. He's fine. Hey, buddy. You alright? Yeah. You're a little bit unsure, aren't you?
Alright.
You did as well yet again.
We've come around the corner and we're actually quite shocked because it's a huge, beautiful bay. And there's no boats here. This sailboat just came in about 10 minutes after we did. Most of the anchorages we've been to lately are so packed and busy that even when they're calm from the conditions, there's like chop and swell and you get knocked around and rolled around because they're so busy and there's so much traffic going through.
That's probably the downer with like Sardinia, is that like there's just so many boats around. Yeah, you like that?
Also, in our last couple of videos, I've been wearing these swimsuits and I got so many people messaging me and commenting, asking where they're from. And I realized we opened the package from Axie, which is the brand that sent them, like way back in LiQWYD in winter.
Come on. But if they...
But we hadn't had a chance to wear them yet, so I've been bringing them out and I love them. They're great. Yeah, go check them out. They just sent them to us and I said I'd try them out and I love them. Especially right now with a bit of COVID quarantine weight. I'm not really feeling the bikini at the moment. So the one piece is nice.
They told me about your bathers, so I can put mine on too.
You're a geek.
You like that?
So we'll put a link in our description of the website if you want to go check them out. It's not like a paid promotion or anything, genuinely. We just like them, so we've been wearing them. Poor Jackson's like, come on, Dad, come
Sorry,
on,
mate.
let's go.
Alright, buddy, go.
Woo!
Good boy, mate. We cut our time lapse short.
We're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. And there was jellyfish coming in.
Oh no, 2 jellyfish and bloody 1,000 mosquitoes. So
And
time lapse is only about 2 or 3 seconds.
Poor Ryan. Trying to fix our water pump tonight. He's got a flashlight going. No success?
I'm just pissed off because it's like, you know.
Good chat.